Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have TOZO T20 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing or pairing with your phone or other device, or if you're only getting sound out of the left earbud or the right earbud, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now if you do this and nothing fixes your earbuds and you're ready to just get a new pair, I'll put a link in the description to a good price on a 5-star rated set of earbuds. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just if for whatever reason you want to delete all the pairing history off of them so that you can just get a fresh start on them. So what you're going to do is first you're going to go to your devices that you have them on and go ahead and just delete them off of there. And once you do that, you can just come in and put your earbuds in the case, close the case, leave the case closed for a few seconds, and then take them out. And when you take them out, the white indicator lights should start to blink slowly, indicating that they're in the pairing mode. And once you do that, you're just going to simultaneously on each one, double tap the back button on it. You're just going to go like this, tap, tap on the back of the earbuds. And if this worked properly, then this light will start to flash rapidly for a few seconds and then go back to flashing slowly. And that means that the reset has been completed and now it's gone back into pairing mode. And now you can turn the Bluetooth back on whatever device you have and just set these up like you're just taking them out of the box for the first time.